Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have this juicy, super delicious baked chicken. If you're interested, just keep on watching. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, give a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's recipe. And let's begin. All right, guys, here's my chicken. I have a whole chicken here. First thing I am going to be doing is butterfly my chicken. That way the chicken can cook faster. And yeah, so basically I'm going to remove the backbone of the chicken. And to remove the backbone, make sure you use a sharp kitchen shears. Now, once I'm done, I am going to be cleaning the chicken with some lime vinegar and as well as some salt. Once I am done, make sure pat it dry with a napkin so we don't have any water on the chicken. Once I'm done, I am going to be drizzling a little bit of olive oil on the chicken just so our seasoning can stick and stay, and make sure this chicken is nice and flavorful. So I am going to rub that in. To season my chicken, I am using onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, creole seasoning, adobo seasoning, ground black pepper, thyme, and parsley. No salt needed. I am going to use a fork to mix that all together. And of course, the measurement will be down below for you guys if you want to recreate this dish and make it at home. I am going to sprinkle the seasoning generously on the chicken and as well as rubbing it in. Now, we're not going to hold back on the seasoning. We're going super heavy because I like to over season my food. I don't know about you, but especially when making baked chicken, ain't no bland chicken over here, sir. We're going to over season it, okay? So sprinkle your seasoning and rub it in. All right, now we're going to flip the chicken over just like so, and we're going in with a little bit more of the olive oil just like that. Rub it in, and we're going to add the seasoning. Now, when I tell you guys don't hold back with the seasoning, like really heavy-handed season this chicken, because if you want it to taste like mine, you have to season it like mine. So we're going to really season this. Now, once I'm done seasoning it, I am going to place it into a cast iron. Now, you can place it on a glass baking dish if you want, but the cast iron is my to-go baking dish for baked chicken. Now, I've got a lot of questions. People are always asking me, did you cover it? No, I never ever cover my baked chicken. Never. I don't need to, okay? So if you're asking, did I cover it? No, I didn't. I'm going to place some carrots, celery, and potatoes on the side, not under the chicken, because I want the chicken to cook as fast as possible. And once I'm done, I am going to take about 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I am going to add some rosemary, chopped or minced, fresh rosemary in there, and just drizzle that all over the chicken. Yes, you guys, this will give your chicken a nice restaurant quality flavor. Okay, you gotta add that rosemary on there with the butter. It's going to be super buttery and of course very herby at the same time. Now for that lemony flavor, I am going to squeeze half a lemon juice on there because I really love that flavor profile. And then I am going to sprinkle some more seasoning on my potatoes and carrots and in the celery. Then we are going to bake this, you guys, uncovered. Keep that in mind. Uncovered on 400 for about an hour. You don't have to do nothing else. Once your 1 hour is up, this is what you have. Okay. Now I'm going to add some butter, some more butter. Not that I needed it, but we're going to add some butter on top and then baste our chicken with that juice. Okay. And there you have it. This is how you make a very easy baked chicken recipe at home. Super flavorful. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. It was a quick one, yet such an easy one. I hope you guys try it out for your family. But don't forget to give this video a like for me if you did enjoy it. If it was helpful, please thumbs it up. Also subscribe if you're new here. Join the family. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.